Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can add a Venmo card to Apple Wallet. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, there are only some simple steps that you have to follow, so make sure to pay attention. And now go ahead, open up your settings app on your phone, and from over here you're gonna find your search bar right away. Go ahead, go and type in wallet. Once you do that, you can find this wallet on Apple Pay, and as soon as you tap on it, you will find this option of payment cards, which includes add card option. You have to tap on it, and once you tap on it, it will simply ask you to provide the card details. Go ahead, provide your Venmo card details that you have, which you want to make the payments with. Once you have added the card details accordingly, you will be asked to provide some verification. Once you have provided that, you will be able to set it, and now you can go ahead, search up your wallet app right on your phone, and you can simply open it up and you can use it however you would like for the future payments and purchases. So that is a simple way for you to do so. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.